NEC Article 300 addresses wiring methods, and Section 300.15e specifically states that splices made in the field shall be accessible for future inspection and maintenance. Articles 545, 550, 551, and 336.21 cover manufactured buildings, mobile homes, and recreational vehicles. These articles may not be directly applicable depending on the situation. The Tyco non-metallic sheathed cable splicing device is listed to UL standard 486D and approved for use in weatherproof locations. It is also deemed suitable for burial underground in direct sunlight. However, determining whether this splicing device can be buried inside a wall without violating NEC Article 300.15e requires careful consideration. To ensure compliance with the NEC, it is advisable to contact the building code official in the specific area. They can provide an authoritative interpretation based on local requirements and the specific application. As an alternative, if it is necessary to splice non-metallic sheathed cable inside a wall, an accessible junction box can be used. These boxes are available with covers that allow for the insertion of non-metallic sheathed cable connectors. The key principle from the NEC is accessibility. Splices should generally be accessible for inspection and maintenance unless specifically permitted otherwise by the code. A Tyco device being suitable for direct burial does not automatically translate to being permissible for concealed in wall splices per the NEC. The suitability for underground burial typically addresses moisture and physical protection, while the accessibility requirement focuses on future inspection and maintenance. Therefore, the most prudent course of action involves consulting with the local electrical inspector or building official to get their interpretation and approval for using the Tyco splicing device in a concealed-in-wall application. If the inspector does not approve the concealed splice, then installing an accessible junction box becomes the compliant alternative.